This is my electric bike. I will give you a tour here. Here it is in full view. But as we look closer, we've got inside the wheel here we have a motor. You can see that the hub is much bigger. This black round thing that you see here is actually the motor in the middle here, and it's equipped with some disc brakes here. Got some disc brakes here. The power cord from the motor comes out from here, and it goes all the way up to the battery. This is where the battery is kept, actually, this triangular shape. And as you can see, you can open it and you can remove or put in the battery pretty easily. This silver little box here that you see under the frame, this thing here, is the controller. That's where all the electricity is controlled. So this box goes under the frame. It's protected from the rain. It's got a guard here, protected from the rain. And this little blue thing is actually just a piece of tarp that I rolled up. There's a bunch of cords here, so I just kind of cleaned it up, and the cords are actually inside. And over here, I'll just go back to the back here, we actually have a saddle. This saddle here, you can actually put a bag, and what I plan on doing is putting an extra battery here. So if the battery over here runs out, then I can hook it up and put it in the back and use the second battery here. So that'll extend the range. And if you go up to the front panel here, this is the control center. The big thing with the green screen is the cycle computer that tells all the information on the bike. And then we have this light here. I've got a light here to light up the street, quite important. And then this is the on and off switch, this red button here. If you push it up like this, right, now it's on, and now you can see that the screen is on. Now right now I have 100% power, as you can see by the bar here. That's 100% power, and this here is the throttle, and it shows how many kilometers per hour, and also the temperature. You can see that it's 34 degrees Celsius. Oh, and that's how many kilometers I've done today, about 30 kilometers. So over here, this button here is the throttle. So if you push this down, you push this throttle down, that's where you're going to get your power. So I'll just give you a demonstration of what it actually looks like. Okay, and I'm just going to go like this. You're going to actually hear it. It's really quiet, right? You can hear that, right? Hear that weird weeding sound? That's the motor. So you can see the wheel turning here. That's the actual wheel turning. So I'm going to push the throttle again. And that's how you get your power, right? Right. Pretty cool. Okay. And that's what an electric bike is. That's my rig setup. All right. Cool.